Welcome in this channel, in this video. Sorry. So, however, today we are going to talking about Zulu incentivized Zulu network airdrop. Okay, recently I've already uploaded, a lot of, not a lot of, 2 to 3 videos about Zulu network. Why? Because people are so passionate about like joining inside of Zulu testnet. Okay, I noticed that thing on internet. So the thing is, majority people are those are like interesting to joining Airdrop testnet. They want to make sure first that am I participating at that airdrop properly, appropriate way or not. Okay, and what they do after that, search on YouTube about that project like Zulu testnet network, how to join Zulu testnet. So there was video about participation, like step by step, doing bridging, swapping, staking, those type of things, add liquidity, just testing their website, testnet main, airdrop main. So what happened? The thing is, I noticed that people want to make sure that I'm participating properly or not, because one project like Zulu, if you noticed, every day you need to do work. If you don't do work every day, your time is wasted. I don't want to waste your time. I take proper participation on Zulu, and after I try to share with you. Okay, that is the thing. So the thing is, in Zulu you are facing the problem is about bridging. Like while you are going to get faucet on Google, about searching BTC faucet, one website is give most of faucet like coin, something like coinfaucet.com. Sometimes that website be shut down. Okay, maybe you noticed I faced this problem. What I do when that website get on, like proper when their website is on active, what I do, I create multiple Unisat wallet. And if you notice that you cannot get one yeah, one wallet, or even one your IP, just once a time you can get that faucet. You cannot that get multiple way through one on IP, as well as you know one wallet. So you need to therefore use VPN for change your IP, and you can therefore use second wallet, like multiple wallet, multiple address, and over and over again you get that faucet. You can send on your main account while you need to done your piece of breeze transaction. So the thing here is the strategy I showed you. So bridging, swapping, add liquidity, simple. Maybe you understood. If you don't, write down comment or check out my uh, other video. Check out my Zulu about video previews that I uploaded already. Okay, that is the update that was. So each day there is like a lot of airdrop has been published on crypto space. If you want the genuine, more specific about airdrop testnet that will give you some money, would be cash flow, feel free to write down comment these videos. I will be appreciative to you. Check out description box, you will get alpha telegram channel free to join. You can do join free there. You can be member of our community totally free. Okay, come into. So check out this video's description box. However, So the thing is, here is this, nothing else, just how do you can be eligible would be into the testnet about that. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.